Hey Emerson students, this is Miss Gaber. Today we're starting sort number 4, review of double, e-drop, and nothing. So last week we talked about CVC words and CVCE, CVVC, and how to add ing with different changes. But before that, we had talked about doing a different kind of change with double. So we're going to be doing that again. So let's read our words. Setting, hiking, reading, snowing, cutting, moving, growling, fixing, stopping, living, spelling, going, begging, coming, floating, humming, grinning, having, cheering, working, jogging, sharing, talking, pushing. Okay, one thing I noticed right away is that we no longer have pairs of words like set, setting, hike, hiking. We just have the finished word that has ing with it already. So we're gonna have to do a little bit more investigation to figure out which category it's going to go in. I'll go ahead and cut these out and then we'll get started. All right, here are my words all cut out. And I have my bolded words at the top. So let's think about this one here, setting. That word without the adding ing to the end, we have to think about what that word was before. So before it was setting, without the ing, it was set. Now we also have to think, how is the word set spelled? Set. Set is spelled S-E-T. There are 2 T's in setting. So that means in order to add ing, you had to double the last consonant. Double. Okay, let's look at hiking. If I take off that ing, you want it to say hike, but there's something missing. Hike actually ends in a silent E, so that must mean to get ing, we had an E drop. Now to turn read into reading, if I cover up the ing, it still says read, so that means you don't have to make any changes to the word before you add ing. We don't have any examples of an oddball yet. Having. Have. Have is spelled with a silent E at the end, so we had to drop it for ing. Working. If I cover up the ing, it says work, so we did nothing. Grinning. Grin is spelled with one N, so that means we had to double it to add ing. Okay, as you work through these, let your teacher know if you find the oddball, and then remember at the very end what we do after they're all sorted. We write them in our language notebook. I'm just going to get a fresh page, and at the top I'm going to write sort 4. My headings are double, nothing, e-drop, and oddball. Setting, grinning, in the nothing category I have reading and working, and e-drop, hiking, and having. So you're going to finish this out after you have all your words sorted, and then remember to save your words. Please practice this sort each day, and there's a different fun activity that you can do every time you practice. Just look in Canvas and then choose which one you're going to upload for the week.